Today we're taking a look at the AZDOME M63 Lite dash cam. We're going to get it opened up and check it out. Okay, first thing we have is our camera. That is the important part. It's a 4K ultra high definition lens. Let's see what else we have in the box. Have our power cord, our cigarette lighter adapter, our mounting tools. Has our little crowbar to pull down the headliner just a little bit to poke your cable up underneath there, as well as some cable clips. We have our user manual and our electrostatic mounting sheets. Looks like we have everything that we need. Okay, we're going to go over some basic functions on this dash cam, and then we'll get the SD card installed, install the app onto our phone, because you can use dash cam through an app on your phone. Then we'll get some sample footage, so let's get started. We're going to get our SD card put in here. Your SD card slot will be over here on the side. But we'll go over some of the physical buttons on the camera itself. We're here on this side. We will have the menu button, our up button, of course our down button, and right here, as we've already saw, is our micro SD card slot. Up here on the top, we're going to have our mini USB port. That's how we will get the power. And then beside that is our power on and off button. On the front, the little slots right here is our speaker and of course our lens. This camera also has an audio video input, so if you have a rear camera, you'll be able to plug it in right there. Plugged in here. First thing you're going to see is your setup menu. OK button on the top. Power button is also the OK button. You can set your time zones. You can use the up and down arrow to scroll through your list. Set your date on here. Set your time. And we have our camera going. And if you'll notice, our timer is running. So it automatically starts recording. You can also see up here on this top left-hand corner, flashing the recording. Displays our date and our time across the bottom. Okay, you can go into the menu and select your quality, as well as multiple other settings. Now we're going to get the software installed on here. Just go to Google Play or wherever you download your software app for your phone and search for AZDOME, A-Z-D-O-M-E. Should be something similar to that. We will get this installed. Okay, once you have your Wi-Fi turned on your phone, you will go to your Wi-Fi connection settings and connect to your phone. It will show up on your Wi-Fi listings as M63 Lite, and then it'll have some numbers and letters after that. And then you'll enter your default password, and you should be connected. Then it should show up that you are connected. You'll be able to check the real-time video. As we can see, we are connected. You can go into your menu and take a snapshot and do 4K. You can take a snapshot, captured and saved to your card. Stop your recording. Then you can view your albums. Basically, a lot of the same thing that's on the cameras menu will be available on the app on your phone. You have multiple options that you can select in the menu. And we're going to go out there and get this hooked up in the vehicle, and then we'll get some sample footage.
Crazy about it, young as me. They cut around and do as fast as we can.
So as you saw from the footage, it does a really good job, especially for this price range. One of the things I wanted to point out that I didn't even notice until I got the camera in the car and we got going, then I noticed something. Check this out. The lens on this camera, you can move it. See that? You can adjust that thing. It pivots up and down, side to side. I just thought that was pretty neat. A lot of windshields have a different slope on them than others, and this is pretty stationary right here. But with that lens being able to fine tune where you're wanting that shot at, that's great. Like I said, the video quality is good for this price range of a camera. It's very simple, basic, easy to use camera. I like it. I also need to add that I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you make through any of my links, I will make a small commission on that. Just thought I'd let y'all know that. Thanks for watching.